Basic facial massage. In this video we are learning how to do it. This is my favorite form of massage because it requires only two hands and about 10 minutes of your time. Of course, you can perform this massage anytime, anywhere, and I want you to try to be there, be in the moment. Try to feel everything you're doing. Try to think about the massage, about your moves, about what effect it will make, and maybe thinking how you want your face to look like, what changes you want to achieve with this massage, and how soon. Feel good about yourself, even if now you may not like what you see. Besides, it's very important to make a certain atmosphere. I know it will not be possible to do at all times, but maybe sometimes you could put the candles on, not the one with any scent or fragrance that's really unhealthy. Just regular candles for the atmosphere, maybe music. It could be any type of music, not necessarily Bach or anything. It could be an energizing song or something, whatever makes you feel good, whatever keeps you going. Before a massage, as we've discussed, we need to make sure our face is prepared, we cleaned it, we applied the toner. I'm going to do this right now. Let's apply the toner. You could even spray it all over your face. I'm gonna gently apply it. I'm using a nourishing, it's actually a moisturizing toner for normal, dry, and dehydrated skin. And it is okay to put under your eyes. We will begin the massage with warming up. We will warm up our décolletage and neck areas as well as the ears. To add to that, before this massage or maybe any other massage you are going to do, if you're doing it in the morning, I suggest you start with the frame exercise, which I have showed you.